First of all, thank you very much for this privilege to be part of this momentous celebration of Elder Greater Manchester's 20th anniversary. My heart rejoices to see you thriving throughout the years since I have known you. For this reason, I praise and thank God for that. Pastora Evelyn, elders of the church, and to all brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus, congratulations for a job well done, that you've reached this far because of God's faithfulness and goodness to you individually and as a church. I know you are going through a lot throughout the years. However, according to Peter, in Second Peter chapter 1 verse 3, he says here, his divine power has given us everything we need for a godly life through our knowledge of him who called us by his own glory and goodness. This is an encouragement and at the same time a reminder that God has given you power and everything you need, not missing anything, to live a godly life. He never leaves you with nothing, but He already equipped you to live a life with the purpose that would reflect God's glory and goodness. You may fail sometimes because of the human sinful desires, but remember that you are partakers of the divine nature of Christ. In other words, you are partners with Christ in the work God is doing in the world. Therefore, stand firm on His promises, for He is trustworthy God. Persevere up to the very end, no matter what challenges you may encounter in your personal life, as well as on your ministry. Continue living a life worthy of your calling. Live a holy life as Jesus called you to be. In fact, Peter added in verse 10, he says here, therefore, my brothers and sisters, make every effort to confirm your calling and election. For if you do these things, you will never stumble. Remember, brothers and sisters, remember this. You inspired us to do better and better. In behalf of Elder Church Nottingham, once again, congratulations on your 20th anniversary. We will always be here for you, to support you, and to pray for you. God bless you all.